In this video, I will show how to embed Excel files in your WordPress website. So search this plugin, remember this icon and search embed any documents, embed PDF, Word, PowerPoint and Excel files. So search this plugin. It's a very easy to use, popular and user friendly. So install and activate and try to use this plugin. Guys, if you need to help how to use this plugin, so comment. I will resolve all query by comment section. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. And guys, please check out my WordPress learning YouTube playlist series.